So guys, this is episode 4 of my Bermuda lawn transition, and in today's episode I will be applying the N-Ext products of RGS, Humic 12, and N-Ext on my front lawn and on the Bermuda lawn transition section. The reason I'm doing that now, before I even throw my seed, is because I want to get the soil ready. And what better time to get your soil ready than when it's bare dirt? So for today's product application, I've decided to use my Chapin Home Pro and spray the product onto the lawn. I'm going to go ahead and mix all 3 products into the Home Pro, and I'm going to dilute it a little more because that is a lot of product going into the pack. So instead of doing 1 gallon per 1,000, I'm going to double that and do 2 gallons of water per 1,000. So treating 1,000 square feet in the front, 1,000 square feet in the back. RGS, I'm going to be applying at 3 ounces per 1,000, so that means 6 ounces will go in. And Humic 12, I'm going to be applying at 6 ounces per 1,000, so then that means 12 ounces will go in. And then N-Ext going to go down at 6 ounces per 1,000 also, so that means 12 ounces is going to go in. So we just finished up applying 3 ounces per 1,000 of RGS, 6 ounces per 1,000 of Humic 12, and 6 ounces per 1,000 of N-Ext on both the front lawn and on the back Bermuda lawn project. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below, hit that little bell, that way you can get notified the next time I post one of these videos for you guys. And as always, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.